short. Can ill afford that. Very full. Yes, as oh dear. I thought that was going to hand. It's just burst through and gone for a maximum.
This one pulled away. This will be another boundary to finish the over.
Given against the run of play. Surely there's a review on the cards here, and yes, we'll go upstairs.
Ball tracking coming up, original decision is out. Pitching outside off, impact umpire's call and wickets hitting. Stay with your original decision call, stand by. Your on-screen signal now.
Good decision from Paul Wilson. The Sanka goes for 40, it's 108 for 2.
A new batter in Sadira Samaravikrama. That sounded good. It's hitting the gap. Oh, little bit of misfield there. And with that, Mendes, we get to his 24th half century in ODI cricket. Oh, nicely done. Well, we'll find the fielder though. Kusal Mendes. Huge wicket this. He's got to go after two back-to-back half centuries, and now Sri Lanka would have 2 new batters on this pitch.
Mendes goes 50 or 73 balls. Sri Lanka 117 for 3.
Charita Sri Lanka, the new batter, a left-hander. Looks a good shot this. Has he found the gap? Yes, he has. It's on. Yep, taken by Shakib. Nothing short really. I guess pressure building up. Just 3 runs in that over. Went for the big one. And that ball went nowhere.
Charita Sri Lanka goes for 10 and it's 144 for 4.
The thing about the Sri Lankan team is the batters coming one after the other. A lovely shot, using the pace. Good cricket all round.
Oh, gone. Looking to force the pace. A fairly simple chance to the keeper. Dhananjaya De Silva goes to 6. Now Sri Lanka in a bit of trouble. 164 for 5. Right, the captain's in.
Good shot. Good timing.
Using the pace, using the angle, and using also the width. Really clever batting by Sadira Samaravikrama.
Good shot. That's a boundary. Sidera brings up his 50 in class efforts. A strike rate of 111. That's a really good knock.
Oh, the cover. Boundary.
It's found the gap and hit through the line to a good ball. Ball. That's his shot at trying to paddle it on the leg side. It's gone. Clean bowled.
And the shake of the hand as he walks out for 24. 224 for 6.